Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore REST API requests environment variables in Postman step by step clearly. Open Postman and navigate to your desired workspace. Locate the environment drop-down menu in the top right corner. Click on the drop-down to view your available environments. Select the environment containing your REST API requests. If there are existing variables, review them to identify which need restoration. To restore variables, click on the Manage Environments option. In the pop-up window, click on the environment you are working with. You will see the list of existing variables within that environment. To restore a specific variable, locate it in the list. Clear out the current value or delete the variable if necessary. Now, click on the Add button to create a new variable. Enter the name of the variable in the provided field. Fill in the value associated with this variable. Repeat this process for any additional variables you need to restore. Once you've entered all the variables, click Update to save your changes. Close the Manage Environments window to return to the main interface. Your restored environment variables are now ready to be used in your REST API requests. Select a Request tab to test these variables to ensure they're functioning correctly. Make a request using your newly restored environment to validate everything works as expected. Monitor the response to check that your variables have been applied successfully. If you encounter any issues, revisit the environment settings to verify your entries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.